Alright, so this is a portable air conditioner I got off Amazon from TrustTech. And it's like normal ones. Hook it right up to the window. You can see that. Just really easy to install. This little thing up here, right here, just slides in the top, and then once you screw it, it locks. And then that just snaps in. You can screw it in. I didn't, but you can if you need to. And then it's really basic. I mean, a lot of them have all kinds of craziness. This is simple. You push power, have it down to 61, high-low, sleep, which I don't mess with sleep. I normally just turn it off when I go to bed. Fan, and then it dehumidifies also. And it's not too loud. When it's high, it's a little louder, but once you get like the room to your temperature you want, then you just kick on low, and then it's pretty dang quiet. So I got this at Amazon. It looks pretty slick. I need to clean my room. It's not going to go there. I'm probably going to move it over a little bit once I get more situated. I just really needed something cool, keep my room cool, because I work from my computer. So let's go. I'm still moving. Look at this one. The reason I got that one is because this one is just kind of sucks. So I mean, I guess it's cool to have this out here, but if I put that in my room and leave my door open, it comes out to the living room and it does its job for sure. So if you guys are looking for one that's inexpensive, check out the link in the description, Amazon.com.